Dear friends, this was an excellent conference I have ever been during the last 15 years, I think. I congratulate Are and his team for this excellent organization, both scientifically and socially. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Cem. I also would like to extend my special gratitude to Are and the team behind this whole conference. Lucy and Mary specifically, the conference organizing team, the committee. There has been a lot of work behind the scenes to make this conference a success. And I was so glad to hear from people in the corridor on the during the pause. 1 minute.
When you are finished, if I can have one word.
Of course. This is what I'm talking about. um, um, in the corridors, many people, many of the delegates came to me and said, this is one of those rare conferences that we don't skip any session with our laptops to go somewhere else and do our work. That really, really just emphasizes the level of the work that has been gone through the conference organization, and that's amazing. Thank you so much for everyone who is present and who is not, specifically the Dan and the team who made it possible for every speaker to be heard and to be seen. And of course, awesome coffee, tea, lunch, everything that has always been available. This is great. We are very thankful. I'm going to hand it over to Are. If there is anything that I have to say and I haven't said, please let me know. Okay, so. See? Okay, special thanks to all of our sponsors and whoever is interested in being in a photo. We usually take the group photo at the end of the conference, and it ends up in conference in E's website. So feel free to join. We would be very happy to have a very big group photo. And then there is one thing that I think Are wants to say. Have I missed anything else?
Thank you. Actually, you took my point, because I wanted to say, I showed a photo a while ago about of the people that works in our journal, and quite a lot of them has been active and has made this conference possible behind the scenes. And there's three of them here now: Kari, Martina, and Ragnhild, who have done a wonderful job behind the scenes. And there are even more of them. And I think also, I'm sorry to do that again, but I think everyone will agree that without Don Robert,